Today in Make and Drink, we're going to make and drink another cocktail from Tiki, Modern Tropical Cocktails from Shannon Mustipher. This recipe is in the book, but was created by Ian Bancroft from the S.O.S Tiki Bar in Decatur, Georgia. While I might come across as a Mai Tai purist, I'm all for riffs. What I don't like are recipes that call themselves original or real Mai Tais that have pineapple juice, orange juice, or rum floats on the top. New and interesting updates, I'm all for, and this is one of those. For this one, you will need fresh lime juice, orgeat, orange curacao, a Rhum Agricole Blanc, and a Jamaican pot still rum. While I do think homemade orgeat is the best, if you're going for a store-bought brand, I would recommend Liber & Co. and Liquid Alchemist, and today I'll be using Liquid Alchemist. We're going to build this one in our small shaker tin with 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lime juice, 3/4 ounces of orgeat, half an ounce of dry curacao, half an ounce of a Rhum Agricole Blanc, and 1.5 ounces of a Jamaican pot still rum, and I'm using Hamilton here for this one. Add some nugget ice to your tin, and we're going to whip shake this for 10 to 15 seconds. Just dump it into your Collins or a zombie glass. And there you go, the S.O.S Mai Tai. Oh wait, I think I'm forgetting one more thing. The garnish. Don't try this at home. There's really no reason to. It makes a mess, it's dangerous, and you can burn your house down. So, don't do it. You really don't need to. Let's try this. It is so interesting. You're getting the Jamaican pot still rum. You're definitely getting that Rhum Agricole. That to me is just like total different variation of a Mai Tai and totally unusual. You're still picking up those typical flavors like your lime juice, your orange curacao, your orgeat, but it's those rums that shine through. This is a wonderful variation of the Mai Tai, but like I already mentioned, don't worry about the garnish here. Leave that to professionals or, fake professionals. In all of its messy glory, the S.O.S Mai Tai from the S.O.S Tiki Bar in Decatur, Georgia. That's it for this one. I'm Derek, this is Make and Drink. If you enjoyed the video and you want to help out the channel, then just give this video a like below. Subscribe to the channel if you want to, and if you want to check out some more tiki cocktails and rum drinks, check out this video on this playlist here. And otherwise, see you in the next one.
Warning, carbon monoxide.
Don't try this at home.